Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. I will show you in this tutorial a step by step with real demonstrations how to fix phone by Google new update calling card is not showing, and if it so, then it's not in a good way, it's showing in an alternate way. How do you fix it? Yes, don't escape ahead. Each step is important for us. Let's see. First and foremost, see guys, these changes. Suppose if I call here, what's happening? See big call and that is coming here. So just we will cut it and we would like to fix it as old version of that. So we'll have to come in a Play Store. In the Play Store here, we'll have to come in a search bar and we'll have to here tap phone by Google's. So just to tap here phone by Google, and see we will tap on here. So we tap on here and then see it's already installed. Just we will click on here to open. It's already installed. So once again we will, by mistake it was done, so guys here just we will have to tap on it. So here see one is option open and second is uninstall. So we will go for uninstall it. It's automatically update and due to that it's happening. So I have uninstalled it. Now we'll go for see I have already uninstalled. So just we will cut it from here and once again we will come on here. Now we will have to come on here. Now see everything has gone, but we have uninstalled. Now we will open once again and now see finally it has especially. Now if we call here, let me call. Now see bigger screen is not coming. So this is all about guys.